The sea has always been a bridge for people, trade, and opportunity. At Naghi Marine, it is far more. It is our heritage, our passion, and our future. Naghi Marine, founded in 2013 by the late Sheikh Saleh Yousef Naghi and rooted in a century of the Naghi family legacy. We have evolved as one of the kingdom's most trusted maritime companies. Today, under the leadership of Sheikh Yousef Saleh Naghi, the vision continues charting bold new horizons, combining tradition with innovation, and building global partnerships that redefine regional trade. With a versatile fleet of more than 40 vessels, a team of seasoned professionals, and cutting-edge marine technology, we deliver world-class maritime and logistics solutions with scale, speed, and precision, both onshore and offshore 24/7. Our portfolio spans the full spectrum of marine services, port management and ship agency, including offshore supply and heavy lifting, offshore marine construction, subsea engineering, and underwater pipeline installation. These capabilities enable us to support critical infrastructure, safeguard vital energy routes, and build tomorrow's water and power facilities across Saudi Arabia and the GCC. Our impact is trusted by industry leaders, including Saudi Aramco, Mawani, Bahri, Aqua Power, and Power China, who rely on Naghi Marine for marine services and marine construction for our well-known operational excellence. At the core of our operations lies a non-negotiable commitment to safety and sustainability, with ISO-certified systems in quality, health, and environment. We protect our people, our partners, and the seas we work in. Every operation reflects our pledge to safeguard lives, preserve ecosystems, and uphold the highest international standards. As Saudi Arabia advances its Vision 2030 journey, Naghi Marine stands ready to play a vital role. We are driven by innovation, powered by heritage, and dedicated to excellence. We are not just navigating today's waters, we are charting the course for tomorrow.